Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 28 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 1967 from the wonderful folks over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to get this for yourself, click this link all the way along here. Head over to DeAgostini and grab this for yourselves, folks. You will not be disappointed. What have we got? Captain Tucker's Mustangs. A staggering 1 million Mustangs were sold in the first 2 years after it was launched. 1 million. A lot. Interestingly, the story of the 1 millionth Mustang to come off the assembly line is closely linked to that of the very first pre-production model. There you go. 1 million of them, folks. There you go, there's the 1 millionth Mustang there. After striking a deal with Ford, Captain Stanley Tucker poses next to his original Mustang on the left, which had been the first pre-production model, and now his new car, which was the 1 millionth. Wow. Lucky fella. Here's what we're going to be building this month. This is the fuel tank bottom that we're going on. So you need the chassis that you had previously, as well as the other part of the fuel tank, folks, because we're going to be putting that all together today. Shows you how you're going to be doing it. You're going to be sandwiching the top and the bottom parts together with the chassis in between, folks. Okay, there's all the bits and pieces. You've got your exhaust system going up underneath as well, been added to it, and this shows you all the different sections and then what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Okay, and that's where it's going to go on your model, just on the rear end there. Okay, so grab the exhaust system, top and bottom fuel tank, and your chassis. Ken Miles, driver and mechanic. Ken Miles, absolute legend, was a great driver, but above all an excellent test driver, the architect of many of the Ford GT's successes. There you go, bless him. If you haven't seen the film, go and watch it. Yeah, really is a beautiful film. Lovely tribute. A unique character. It's the movie Ford v Ferrari, folks. And yeah, tells you the story of behind the scenes, and yeah, sad loss, bless him. Bit of defeat there. There's talk about what happened in Le Mans. Ken Miles and Danny Hulme dominated the race after all the Ferraris had dropped out, and it was told to slow down basically and let someone else pass. So yeah, sad. But yeah, took it well, bless him. And yeah, there's Ken Miles and Lloyd Ruby's Ford GT, sporting an open body in the 12 hours of spring in 1966, where they were victorious. These magazines are read, folks. You won't be disappointed. Do find out some really, really useful information in them. Right, just put them at the back there so that we can see them, and then we'll start getting all of our components together. Right, let's grab our chassis, which is just here, and it's telling us to pop this tank in, okay, underneath. So you want it that way round so that you drop it in like so, okay. You then want to turn it over and let it just rest on the mat like that. Then grab your top part of the tank with the pipe that way, lay it over the top and let it drop into place. And you want to catch these pins in these little recesses, okay? So that's what you want. And then you'll see through the hole that it's lined up, okay? Grab yourself PS20 screw and get ready to start popping these in place, okay? Just like that. And I'll do my usual diagonals like that. Sit that in there. Same with that one. like so. And then one more down in this corner, bottom left, like so. And then I can lift this up now and just go around and quickly just tighten all the screws up to make sure they're all suitably tightened down, which they are. Perfect. So that's that section done. Let's just turn the page. And then we want to do the same. We want to lower the exhaust pipe through. So we want to spin the chassis around like that. Grab our exhaust system. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to put these parts in here. Okay. So that goes in the bottom like so, and then they go in the raised pins above, just like so. And then again, we're going to secure them from the other side in place. So let's just grab a screw and try to pick this up without displacing the exhaust. And then I'm going to go right in that recess up there. There you go. And start putting a screw in. There you go. Now I can do my diagonal. Just like that. There you go. And now I can tighten that one up. And then feed the next one in. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit of oil on that, cut that in the plastic. Make it a bit easier, won't it? There you go. Now we can just feed that through, tighten that right down now. There you go, that's better. I'm going to back that one out, put some oil on it. Give that a little bit of lube. There you go. Right. There you go. Just grab that in there. All day long. And that is them in place. Wipe any excess oil off. And what that gives you at the end of this stage is the interior part there is done on the tank, like so. And then underneath, you've got all your exhaust system on, okay? So that's what you should end up with at the end of this issue, folks. I know, look at it. Doesn't it look stunning? So, if you would like to grab this for yourself, folks, click this link just here. All the way along. Head over to DeAgostini and take out a subscription for your very, very, very own Shelby GT500, folks. You cannot go wrong with this kit at at all. Okay? Until then, stay safe and stay well. Remember, click the fester just in the corner there. That helps me grow my channel. And until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. Thank you for watching.